Coming to an update in the Lakhimpur Kheri case. The Supreme Court today modified the bail conditions of Ashish Mishra, son of BJP leader and former Union Minister Ajay Mishra, the prime accused in this case, allowing him to visit Lakhimpur Kheri every Saturday evening to spend time with his family. However, the court made it clear that Mishra must return to Lucknow by Sunday evening and must not participate in any public meetings or political activities during his visit, which must remain strictly private and family oriented. The case, as you know, arises from the October 2021 incident in Lakhimpur Kheri, where a convoy of vehicles linked to Ashish Mishra allegedly plowed through a group of protesting farmers, resulting in 5 deaths. In January 2023, the Supreme Court had granted Mishra interim bail for 8 weeks and later made it absolute, allowing him to reside in either Delhi or Lucknow. A bench comprising Justice Suryakant and Justice N.K. Singh passed this order today while considering Mishra's application seeking relaxation of his bail terms. As per the previous conditions, Mishra was barred from entering Lakhimpur Kheri except for attending the trial. Senior advocate Siddharth Dave, appearing for Mishra, submitted that he had not met his daughters in 4 years and requested permission to stay in Lakhimpur Kheri for 10 to 12 days a month. When the bench questioned why his family could not visit him in Lucknow, Dave cited the distance of 200 kilometers and the favorable climate in Lakhimpur, adding that Mishra's mother was also unwell. During the hearing, Uttar Pradesh's Additional Advocate General Garima Prasad informed the bench that 16 out of 208 witnesses had been examined so far, including 10 injured witnesses. She added that the prosecutor was examining if the number of formal witnesses could be reduced to expedite the process. Justice Kant noted that if several eyewitnesses belong to the same family, the prosecution could consider examining only one of them, although the final decision rested solely with the prosecution. Advocate Prashant Bhushan, appearing for the victims, sought to intervene by pointing out that the victims were run over by vehicles allegedly driven by the accused. When Siddharth Dave objected, arguing that Bhushan's clients had no direct role in the trial, Justice Kant emphasized that victims have the right to participate and assist in the prosecution, stating that they cannot be expected to be idle spectators. To know more details about this, you can visit www.livelaw.in.